Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by simply tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here we can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch faces through the settings. So if you swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon, then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, you need to find the option called band displays. Tap on it, it will open the watch face menu, and you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, tap on the watch face to apply it. You can also customize the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, you will see that under them there is this settings icon. You can tap on it, and some of the watch faces basically allow you to change the style. This one doesn't change much, I don't think, so we're gonna use different one. Let's find something else, for example this one. So settings, and now we can see that basically the colors change. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark to confirm and apply the changes. And if your smart band is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch faces. So let's move this to the side. Bring the phone that our smart band is paired with. Zoom out the camera. Like this. And on the phone that is paired with our smart band, we can open the Mi Fitness application. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on device icon. And here you should see your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. And under it, there should be option called Manage Band Displays. Tap on it. Here we have the online store, so you can basically scroll through the list of watch faces and you can download them. And so we can find the watch face we like, tap on it, then tap on apply. It's gonna start installing, and after it's done, it's going to be applied on our smart band. But we have also the list of local watch faces, so basically the ones that we installed already, and we can tap on it right here on the local. It will open the list, and you can scroll through it, find the watch face you like, and then select the style and tap apply to apply it. Like this. And then you can close the application, and that's how you change the watch face on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.